Hi, welcome to Alan Zhong Idea Art. I was complete all the SPM 2020 art paper question. From question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I really hope all the artwork I paint, it can help you to get a high score in this exam. Now, I would like to demonstrate how to paint the question number 1. The two fighting robots. Personally, I really like this question so much because it shows the impact, motion, effect, fantasy, and feeling. If you ask me, this is the question I will pick for this SPM. Let us view the question. You see an intense fight between two different types of robots. The fight has caused some scattered iron fragments to fly around. Besides that, the battle also caused a sandstorm. After understanding the question, you can start to searching reference. You can search photo reference from the internet, Google or book. List down what kind of elements you need. After that, we start to create the good composition for our artwork. Plan the composition. Start the creating process by sketching a drawing of the general composition of the idea, including all the elements that you want to incorporate. Just because I like this question so much, I was draw two different look composition artwork. It also let me have a choice to pick the best sketch for painting. Start adding color. Prepare your painting tools like poster color, palettes, water container, and paper towel. 3 things always remember when you are painting in this artwork. They are form, texture, and color contrast. Form. How to make the object 3-dimensional look. It all depends from mixing the color. Developing tone. Tonal values are the gradation of tone from light to dark color. Blending light and shadow is an essential technique. Will help you to make the shape more 3D. Texture. The texture is one of the important techniques to make the painting more realistic. Example, explosion, sandstorm, robot, and smoke. All these texture look and feel, it will make the painting lively. Color contrast. In this painting, I will use the difference in color between object, explosion, sandstorm, and background. Color contrast, it will make the object stand out. It can easily get contrast from warm and cool color family. Example, light yellow and red as explosion foreground, and dark blue color as a background. This kind of color will create an impact mood in an artwork. done. The two fighting robots. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. For those still not yet subscribed my YouTube channel, please click it now. I will continue make a good video for you. Write down your comment, give me your suggestions. Goodbye. See you again.